Okay, so first I'm just going to start off by showing y'all the pants that I use for this video. These pants are just basically like some medium slash dark washed filler pants. I got these from Goodwill for literally only $5.99. So you definitely do not have to go out and buy an actual good pair of jeans, because you literally will be like kind of making them into something new anyways. You can do that, but Goodwill is always a good place to, basically get jeans, thrifted jeans, stuff like that. Wash them before you use them and stuff like that. So that's basically what I'm showing y'all right here. And then next clip, I'm going to be showing y'all the actual butterflies iron patches that I'm going to be using. I got these from Amazon. I got them in a bulk size of 40 piece for $7, I believe, $7.95 or something. So almost $8 for 40 pieces. You do get two different variety of sizes. You get the smaller ones and you do get the bigger ones. It comes in multi-colors. You got the green ones, the purple ones, pink ones, blue, turquoise, yellow, brown, just different colors, reds, different colors of pinks. It's a lot of different colors, a lot of different butterfly colors, and they're really, really cute. Perfect for the springtime, like so freaking cute. And basically, like whatever color you have in the big ones, you have them in the small ones as well. And also, it comes with like this little needle and thread thing with buttons. I guess this is for like if you are wanting to like sew the butterflies or something. That's not what I was doing for this particular project. I decided to iron them, which you guys going to see. But like I said, it does come with like a little needle and thread thing if you want to sew it onto something. So here I'm just basically showing y'all the different kinds that they do have. All of them are laid out, and it actually was 40 of them in all as well. And then next I'm just going to show y'all basically me ironing the pants. I feel like I didn't really want any wrinkles when I was putting the butterflies on there, because I didn't want to like put them in the wrong spot. I wanted the size of the pants to be precise as possible. So I decided to iron the pants before I actually went on and ironed the butterflies onto them. And here's the picture that I took inspiration from. Someone tagged me in this on social media last year and wanted me to do them, but I never did them until now. I just feel like it'll be just perfect for the springtime now. So I'm just going to be trying to do them or whatever, period, making my little own just to them. So before I actually go in and iron the patches, because you want to make sure that you know where you're putting it at before you actually do it there, because if you iron them on, it's not going to come up. So I just wanted to make sure that I'm kind of like pinpointing where I want the butterflies to be. I wanted them to look exactly like the pants on the picture, the same colors that she used, the same placements and everything. So that's basically what I'm doing. I had my little sister to help me with the butterflies and stuff like that. And I tried to keep y'all in frame, so I think I did a pretty good job. I kept trying to move my camera and stuff so y'all can see me applying each and every butterfly. I think each pants leg had, I think, 5 or 6 butterflies on each. Yeah, I think like 6 on each. So there was a total of 12 butterflies. You can do however many you want to do. I just didn't want too many because I didn't want it to look too tacky. I wanted to do the exact same amount that the girl used on her picture. And then I'm basically just doing the second pants leg the exact same way, placing however you want to place it. I only put butterflies in the front. That's what I decided to do. And then once the other butterflies are where I want them to be, now I'm just going to take my iron. Yes, literally just an iron that you use to freaking iron your clothes. That's all you need to do this project, you guys. Going to use the iron, and I just put a little bit more water in the iron because I wanted the steam to really allow the butterflies to really be stuck on there. You do have to put a lot of pressure on the pants, on the butterflies, because they are a little thick. So if you just press it on there one time, it's not going to stay in and it will be falling off, and you don't want that to happen, especially if you are doing these for other people. So apply as much pressure as you want to. They're not going to damage the patches, because they are made for, like, items or materials like an iron. So I chose to do each one at one time, so that each one can have its own amount of, like, iron time, if that makes sense. And then before I went on to the next butterfly, I just kind of touched the other ones that I already did and make sure that they weren't going anywhere, and they pretty much weren't. And now I'm just doing the first pin's leg. I mean, the other pin's leg the exact same way. And then once I'm done with both pants, like, I just went through it again just one last time and try to make sure that I pressed down on the butterflies to make sure that they weren't going anywhere. And literally, that's all you do, you guys. Literally, there's nothing to it. This took literally like 20 minutes to do. So very, very easy. You don't have to buy any pants like this. You can literally just make them yourself at home. If you go to Goodwill, find some jeans for $5 or probably cheaper, and go to Amazon and get you a bulk size of those butterflies, and you guys will make your own jeans. You don't have to worry about spending money from somebody, like paying somebody else to do them for you, or to buy them, and you'll be paying a lot more money than if you was doing them yourself. I really enjoyed doing this video. I really enjoyed doing this project. If y'all want to see any other like DIY projects for me, specifically for like the spring or summertime, let me know down in the comment box below. I'll be making sure to do those videos for you. I'm really excited. I can't wait to wear these jeans. If y'all want to see me styling these jeans, make sure you go follow me on my Instagram at Styles by Corsha, because I will be wearing them pretty soon for the springtime. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you guys never miss any more uploads.